This course aims to explain the value you get from going from trade promotion management to trade promo optimization and the key steps to achieve it. We'll introduce you to the foundational concepts of TPO and help you understand how to enable your organization to maximize the benefits of a TPO project. You'll have a clear grasp of what TPO is, also how it relates to trade promotion management, and what needs to be done for successfully implementing TPO strategies. More than ever, companies are under increasing pressure to track and manage their promotional spend more effectively. Trade promotions are a significant portion of the marketing and sales budget, yet many organizations struggle to quantify their return on investment, or ROI, from these promotions. As a result, there's a growing need to move beyond simple tracking and begin optimizing promotional efforts to maximize profitability. While many companies have taken significant steps by implementing transaction capabilities, tracking basic promotional data is only the first step. The next frontier is trade promotion optimization, or TPO. So, what exactly is TPO, and why should you care?